Hi there, today we will review this beautiful Kospet Vision smartwatch, also known as watch phone. The version I have here is a black color with the red surrounds the bezel and the threads on the strap, which gives this watch a beautiful look. At the current time, this watch priced at $160 with 47% off discount. As always, I will put the link down in the description below, so click on that link to get the most updated prices in real time. This is Hans, welcome everyone. Going over the physical features, it classic look metal, ceramic casing and the screen perfectly round, featuring a 1.6-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 320 by 320 pixels. And it's protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. There are 5-megapixel camera in front for selfies and 5-megapixel side camera between two physical buttons on the right side of the watch. The buttons let you quickly access the functions or return to the previous menu. On the left side there is a microphone, down there speaker. The rear panel has a Nano SIM card slot, heart rate sensor and magnetic connectors. The strap is non-removable. Mix it with two layers, upper side leather, under is silicone. Created to look classy but the feature for sport activity and function as a smartphone. The Kospet Vision equipped with 32 GB of internal storage and 3 GB of RAM, running on the Android Nougat system. It comes with the Google Play Store, where you can download any applications you want.
The smartwatch features as same as smartphone, so you can receive notifications, phone call and etc.
You may also connect the smartwatch with your smartphone via Bluetooth 4.0 or use the smartwatch like a smartphone by inserting a SIM card. You can check the compatibility with your local provider before buying this item by clicking the link somewhere up there. With a SIM card, you can make a phone call, connect the Bluetooth headphones, listen to the music and
or even make a video call.
Play a game, watch YouTube, track the distance, location and routes of the outdoor running with the built-in GPS or GLONASS. Measure the heart rate and monitor your steps. So in general, Kospet Vision smartwatch features the same as your smartphone but with the addition of fitness tracker. Kospet equipped with an inbuilt battery of 800 mAh. From dead battery to full charge takes about 2 hours. And with my test under 4G mode, the battery lasted for about 1 day, but without the 4G mode, the smartwatch continuously worked for about 3 days. Like most other smartwatches, this smartwatch is IP67 live waterproof. It's okay for rain or washing hands or accidentally dropping into a body of water up to 1 meter deep. Change the interface and even apply a personal photo, pair the earbuds or smartphone, insert the SIM card, run with GPS or GLONASS, networking, monitor the sports activity, calories, distance, heart rate, and all this available via the link in the description below. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please leave some likes, subscribe, comments, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.